Hello, my name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today I welcome you in Techno Expert session. Today we will talk about how to resolve AFE sample fault or communication failure error. AFE fault is analog front end sample fault. Whenever you see AFE sample fault or communication failure error, it usually means the BMS is not able to read the cell voltages or communicate properly with its internal board or external devices such as inverter and charger. AFE chip job is to monitor each cell voltage and temperature. So if loses communication, it throws an error for safety. First, start with the physical check. Many times the problem is simple loose or damaged connections. Check the communication cable. Inspect the wiring harness between the cells and the main BMS. Look for loose plug, broken wire or corrosion. Reconnect all connectors. Unplug and firmly reconnect the balanced connector, communication cable and the BMS terminals. Even a loose connection can cause this fault. Inspect the BMS board. Look the burn marks, corrosion, cracked components or loose solder joints. If anything found loose, need to be fixed correctly. Second, cell related problems. The issue with the cell voltages. Using a multimeter, measure cell to cell voltages. If any cell is low or dead, the AFE will stop responding, as missing or raw connected wire can trigger the fault. So voltage balance need to be done, and if any wrong wiring is there, it need to be corrected. Once all is done, simply off the battery, wait for some time and then on it. The third issue is from the communication cables. If the issue is communication with inverter, PC or charger, first match the communication pins RS485/CAN and the protocol. Protocol must be same for both inverter and the battery. Second, check the module addressing. In multi-battery system, each battery having a unique ID or address. Duplicate addressing cause communication fault issues. If all the above steps are fine, the only step remaining is to upgrade the firmware. Sometimes the hardware is fine and software is the culprit. Update the firmware. An interrupted or failed upgrade can freeze the BMS. Use official Eastman firmware to upgrade the battery. Perform a hard reset. After upgrading the battery, switch off the battery and wait for 45 seconds and then restart the battery. Thanks for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman.